Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
We completed some of the concept, that is the database concept or the meaning of the database, and also very important 5 marks question, application of the database by using suitable point for the application of the database here. Now let's see next thing, the next concept about our origin of the data here. And in origin of the data, we are going to study about what is fact, what is data, what is information with suitable example. So, in this concept, first of all, I am going to start the meaning of what is fact here. Clear this one? So, now, the first thing about our what is fact. So, fact is something that is really occurred or actually the case. So, we can say that now whatever I said, it is the meaning of the fact. For fact I said, that means the fact is something that is really occurred. Something is happened or happening. Clear this point here? Is really occurred or is actually the case is called as the fact. Or in simple words, we can say that the things that are happening or happened in the real form or in virtual form are considered to be fact. In this case, something is happened or happening, but there is no any perfect proof. Clear this point here? So this one is called about our fact in this case here. And the fact is pursued by sense organs. Correct, Nokia? Why? Because we know that I said the meaning of the fact is really occurred or actually the case. That means something is happened or happening in the real form or virtual form called as the fact here. And fact is pursued by sense organs. We know that 5 sense organs are, one is the eye, second one is the nose, and third one is called as the ear, fourth one is the tongue, and later next one, the fifth one is called as the skin. Clear this point here? That means maybe something, maybe if you get some sound, that means it's a fact in this case. Going to hear by using the ears in this case here. So we can say that. Now let's see whatever the example, each and everything is there for fact, data, information. Later words I will provide to you the example or the suitable example in this case here. Now let's see the meaning of the data in this case here. So the meaning of data, it is a collection of facts, figures or statistics. That means I already said the meaning of the fact, really occurred or actually the case. The things that are happening or happened in real form or virtual form called as the fact. Correct, look here? Something is happened but there is no any proof is called as the fact in this case here. Now, the meaning of the data. So, data is collection of facts, figures or statistics. Statistics means doing some of the calculation. Correct, no? Here after the calculation we'll get something here. So which can be processed to produce meaningful information. Correct, no? Here. So this is the meaning of the data. Maybe some confusion to some, the meaning of fact, the meaning of the data here. Why? Because the same thing I am repeating here. Now let's see. We can say that some more information here. The conversion of or the process of converting, that is from fact form to the data form, will be the first task for our, or will be the first task for any person in database concept. So what's the first task of the to any person in our database concept? That means the first task for any person in our database concept is that we are going to convert, that is from fact form to the data form. Clear this point here? That is the first task of any person in our database concept here. And we know that the human intervention, what about the human? That means the worker or the labor. So the human intervention is compulsory when you are going to convert from fact form to the data form. Clear this point here? That means here we need some of the persons here, some people to convert from fact form to the data form. Now we know that why? Because the data may be in the form of letters, symbols, numbers in this case here, or maybe the shapes, images, audio, video, sound. It is called as the data in this case here. So such one is why? Because we know that the data may be the letters, numbers, symbols, images, audio, video, etc. That is called as the data. The origin of the fact, how we are going to collect, from which place we are going to collect the fact here. So the origin of fact can be collected in this case here just from any organizations, that means from the company, maybe inside, or because here the information about the database means sure we are going to collect some information. That means here I am using one information, maybe the organization, company information, just to discuss about the fact form to the data form. So here we can say that the origin of the data can be going to collect from the organization, maybe inside the organization as well as the outside the organization in this case here, correct, no? Or maybe the fact information going to collect here from any part of the universe, correct, no? Not just only just from the organization, sometime all those information will get, sometime whatever the information we need, it going to collect inside the organization, or sometime we need to go outside of the organization, that is called as any part of the universe, correct, look here. Now let's see why, because I already said here I am using some suitable example for the fact and data. Now it will be clear to everyone when I am going to use the simple example for the fact and data here. So here we can say that the first example for the fact here. So for example, the marks obtained by the student in examination, the marks 80 now is called as the fact. Just only we know some student or one student got some marks in examination and his or her marks is 80. Now this is called as the fact. There is no any proof. Still here we don't have any proof here. It is the data here. Now just only we know about this one. Why? Because one student or a particular student obtained the marks 80. Now that is, or this is called as the fact here. Now we can say that this same, whatever the marks is that, such marks are going to entered on the marks card. That means on the marks card 80 entered will be in the numeric symbol. We are going to enter the marks 80 will be in numeric symbols, in this case numeric numbers in this case here, or in number bases here. Now this is called as the data. Clear this point here? Now clear what's the meaning of the fact here? That means maybe one student just telling I got the marks 80 in the examination. Now still that it is just called as the fact. It is not the data here, but when we will get the proof of such marks of the student, in this case when such marks going to enter on the marks card, now this is called as the data here. Now let's the next thing about our information. Clear this point here? Now the next question is about our information. What is information? So information is processed data. That means after the calculation, after processing, after performing some operation, series of operation, will get some of the information, that is will get some of the result, that is called as the information. So information is processed data here, or in simple meaning we can say that it is a processed data with some definite meaning. It has some of the meaning, or which have some of the meaning in this case here, or simply we can say that information represents fact, figures or statistics which have proper meaning. Clear this point here? Why? Because for fact I said it is actually form, or call as the virtual form, call as or happen or happening in the real form, or virtual form is called as the fact. Now data, collection of fact, figures or statistics which can be processed to produce meaningful information called as data. Now information represent facts, figures or statistics which have proper meaning. Now let's see one suitable example for the information. For example, in marks card of the student, maybe when we are going to collect the total marks of the student in marks card, total marks of the student, maybe the percentage of the student or maybe the result of the student are processed data known as information. Clear this point here? Maybe simply, maybe one student obtained mark 80. Now this is just only the fact when such marks going to enter on the marks card. Now this is called as the data in this case here. Clear this point here? Or maybe the same student in other subject got the marks. Maybe the marks is we can say that the 100. Now later next one, whatever the total marks will get by using these two columns here, the total marks is the 180. Now this is called as the information. Clear this point here? That means we can say that the information, example for the information, when you are going to collect here total marks of the student, percentage of the student or the result of the student, maybe the first class, second class or any type of class here in this case here, whatever the information or result will get, all are processed data. After the operation will get all those data known as the information. Thank you.